Hey everyone, it's Liz Gibbs here, and I wanted to do a little screencast video to show you how exactly our virtual online conference is going to work. I know some people may be hesitant to sign up or register because you're not sure what to do, but everything starts from our landing page. So if you go to our website, PD4AC.org, you'll have our homepage, and then you'll have our first conference that we're hosting, which is Teachers for Tanzania. And once you get to our webpage, everything you need to know is on that site. You can register for it, you can pay for it, and then find out about all of our speakers. We've started a session schedule lineup. You can see that right here. And dun, da, 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 you actually have some speakers. We actually have some speakers that are already scheduled. We are so excited to present our keynote welcome address by Dr. Cindy Gerwin. We have some amazing sessions scheduled with names, big names in the literacy world and education world across the United States. Some of our breakout sessions are going to include a session by Dr. Marcia Henry, by Willie Wood, Vicki King, Dr. Merlina McCullough, Sherry Thorne, Dr. Anita Lael, just to name a few. We still have lots more people to add to our site, but I want to show you how this is going to work. So once you get to our landing page and you decide the sessions you want to see, they'll be broken into 3 different grade levels: early childhood, elementary, and secondary. Underneath every session leader or presenter is going to be a link to their live session. Now we'll also have all of our sessions described, the descriptions of them, so you don't have to worry about trying to figure out who's doing what. But I just want to show you how this is going to work so you can feel comfortable with it. You'll click this button underneath that says Watch Live Session. You'll click it. It will take you to their live video stream. Now, right now, it tells you it'll be live in 17 days at 10 a.m. because that's the schedule for Dr. Marcia Henry's Morphemes Matter. This will be where you'll watch this video. It'll be just like watching any other YouTube video, but it'll be a live stream of her session. Once you're finished with her session, you'll go back to our landing page, and maybe this time you're ready to watch Dr. Lael's presentation. So you'll click her link, and it will take you to her session. Again, it's going to have the live in 17 days, but it's ready for you to, you can even set your reminders if you decide you know which ones you want to watch. It's as easy as that. You'll be clicking from one page to another, 2 tabs, that's all you'll have open on your computer. And I can't even tell you how excited I am to be able to present or to have and host all of these amazing speakers on our first PD4AC virtual conference, which is for Teachers for Tanzania, Literacy for All. I hope this explains a little bit about what we plan on doing and just exactly how easy it will be for you to watch. Thanks so much.